Hi groovy girlies. Did you see what I did there? Hello, my name is Tamisha and I can't stop fangirling right now. Okay, so I can't believe Haz has let me do this. Like, I would never let me do this in 1,000 years, because I have this thing where I just can't stop speaking, and sometimes I speak like 10,000 miles an hour, giving James Jones around for his money. But see, today I want to be speaking. Oh my god. I can't even get it out. I can't get it out because at the back of my mind I'm like fangirling over Haz. I'm like thinking, should I just speak about Haz for the whole 5 minutes? I might do. So for today's video I'm speaking about something that's very personal to me, but not only to me, I know to a lot of black women, black girls, black men, whoever you are. If you do feel this way, I know that this video might be very insightful or useful, and if you don't know any of this, it's okay. It's why I'm here. I'm here to share my story. You can't know everybody's story at the end of the day. If you're in a position of privilege, the least you can do is listen whenever you can. Just understand how different my experience was from yours. So I don't know if any of you watched the video of Rihanna, the little girl that was crying, saying she's very ugly while her mum was doing her hair, and it was one of the saddest videos. However, it's not unexpected for young black girls to feel that way about themselves when you grow up in a society that has characterized white features to be the epitome, can I say that word? Eurocentric features to be the standard of beauty. Everyone else has kind of just been disregarded, or they've been included just for inclusivity and diversity, which means one black girl and one Asian girl if you're lucky. I don't know who needs to hear this, but one black girl is not enough. One Asian girl is not enough. I want to speak about how this plays into maybe a little bit of a brainwashing and a whitewashing of our experiences and our expectations of people. I remember being in secondary school and being held to these expectations of a very whitewashed beauty standards, looks, speaking, everything, by not only white people, black people as well. And I think a lot of black boys generally do have like an internalized hatred for their skin as well, and they do project that onto black women as well. So when I wanted to be a model when I was growing up, I was quite tall, I was quite slim. For my age, I'm not that tall or slim anymore. Sensitive topic. I remember I had applied to like a modeling agency, like a really small one in London, and they called me saying they wanted me to come in and have some pictures done. A black guy that's in my year group school goes, "You want to model with your nose that big?" And up to then I'd never even considered that my nose is huge. That's when I think it really started to hit me that like there is such an internalized and a brainwashed society growing up in terms of beauty and so many things. Because how can somebody who's black with a mother with maybe the same features as my nose say that to me and so much confidence in front of everyone? And it had kind of got to the point where like I just laughed it off, because I don't know about you guys, but I was just not trying to cry every single 5 seconds in public, so you had to laugh it off. I would get bullied for I have an accent. I was originally born in Kenya and I moved there when I was 9, and I remember every single time I spoke it would think like my accent sounded really funny, and I thought it was like a cute little thing to say. Everyone used to say this, even like I think my teachers would be like, "Oh, where are you from?" There was so many questions about my accent and I just hated it. I felt so uncomfortable. Nobody wants to be in a room being questioned about their voice and like why they sound like that or why they say something like that. Like, I don't know about tea, it's not my cup of tea. It's a bit of you, it's not a bit of me. I remember I read somewhere that if you read a lot then improves like your vocabulary and like your speaking. Probably not, probably make enough lies, tell me off. So I read like 50 books in a year. Like, I was crazy. I was an avid reader. I was obsessed with it. Anything to make myself sound less black, less Kenyan, anything to take away from my root, just because somebody had made one comment. Now the comments I get are, "Oh, you sound white, you're very well spoken for a black person." I could never quite lose my accent, and I'm really glad that I didn't, because it is made me who I am. It is a bit of me. But I think I'm gonna end it there, guys. Haz, I can't thank you enough for letting me speak on him. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you very much for having me on. I'm so fangirling. I'm like shaking. I'm gonna ask for this moment to be like engraved into my gravestone in the future. That's how special this is. I can't thank you enough for creating such a platform for so many people to be able to share their experiences, and it has been such a pleasure being able to record this, and you are the sweetest person ever. Yeah, bye.
The only thing I've got is a slot.
Yeah, that's fine, thank you.
Alright.
Yeah, thanks.
Get you settled, I'll pop in all your details and I'll see you later.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Any issues, give me a ring.
Alright, thank you.
No worries.
Bye. Bye. My brother's customer service is spot the
Hey,
Hello, you're right. That's always how he answers the phone. So, if for anyone that doesn't know what the hell was just going on, Ella has now came down, she's came to see the place, and we're gonna go to Ikea today, just do some homeware shopping. But my brother lives in Manchester. I wanted to surprise him without like going to his house and stuff, obviously because of COVID and all of this. And he runs a restaurant. He's the manager of a restaurant called, I think it's called Waterside in Morton or something like that. It's only like, it's not too far from us anyway. And I wanted to book a reservation, but without him knowing that we're actually coming, so I got Ella to do it. I didn't think he was gonna answer the phone, so that was just really funny to me that he did. Yeah, we're gonna go surprise him. Obviously it's just gonna be a lot easier because I have all the sanitation rules and stuff like that, because I literally haven't seen him in so long. That's so exciting. But today we have a lot to do. We're gonna go to the bank and we're gonna sort out all of our like direct debits, all of our bills, because we haven't set those up yet. We now have a TV with Apple TV, which is just incredible. You can connect this to your phone and stuff. Over here, I'm literally so excited to do this Ikea shop today as well. I'm gonna get some homeware stuff, gonna get a mirror for my room, finally a toilet roll holder as well, because we haven't got one of those yet. Just the bare necessities, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me. Morning, by the way, I haven't even said morning today. This is my outfit. I really like it. I feel like a private school girl, which I did say in my try on haul for this. Obviously thrifted. This is Captain & Son, I think. And then these are from Boho Beaded. I love this little necklace, it's so cute. Yeah, let's go to Ikea. Boom, bitch. Woo, we're here, bitches. Yeah, boy. Mummy drove us all the way here. I actually can't wait to just go in Ikea and spend all my money. Hey, Kate. Gorgeous.
Very cute as well.
Just glass to me, to be honest.
Very nice though for like orange juice.
Orange juice. Out of all the things you could put in there, it'd be nicer for a Baileys in my personal opinion. Got myself a pillow, babe. But then isn't that the colour of our kitchen? It doesn't hold much tea though, does it? I'm being such a typical person in Ikea, it's actually just disgusting. I hate the fact that you can't see my mouth move. I just look like I'm staring intently at you and it looks really weird. You're lying, you're lying, you're lying, you're lying. Swiper, no swiping. So Ella, what are we wearing today then? Are we wearing the pink blouse? Do you know what, I think that would really suit you.
Betty. Sketchy Betty.
It says belts. Betty. Dun, 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 dun. So we've got this panther. Ignore this one because it's not the right colour. We're trying to find another one at the minute. Look, we're going for matte black today, girlies. We got some glasses for the wine. Cooking up a right storm.
I need to know if she really loves me. And tell her sweetheart.
I promise I'm a good citizen. I promise I am. My way or the highway. That's a big bloody pillow, that. Christ alive. We actually made a bit of an oopsie. We checked the time while in Ikea and it was literally 10 to 6. Obviously, our table was booked for 6. So what we had to do was call my brother and be like, hi, can we actually come at 6:30 instead? So then he was talking to Ella because obviously the whole plan was for him to not know that we were there. Lo and behold, his work phone is connected to his actual mobile, so he did know it was me the whole time, but he just like played it off as if it wasn't me. So bless him. But girlies, woo. We've just had such a nightmare trying to find somewhere to park and there's a bloody car park here. Girlies, we whining and dining tonight. Oh yeah, oh yeah. These two got fish and chips. I got seafood linguine, which apparently when you buy it, they make a donation to a charity, which is really sweet. These chips, their salt and pepper chips, are the best thing I've ever eaten in my life. It's amazing. Thank you, big bro. Cheers, bro. I don't know if you guys know, but I've just found Byron's twin. Come here, Tuppy. Come on, Tuppy.
I'm gonna come back and get these. Oh, fuck you, man.
That is so you. Smile. But then she is also me, so I can't complain. Oh, I can get that for my bike. Yeah. Fucking hell. Timmy. Me and Bay. Oh, Ella, that's heavy. Mask off. Fucking mask off. Motorsport. God, this vlog has literally just been me out of focus and whacking my head against the camera. It doesn't want to focus on me when I've got my mask on. So we've got a bin. We've just popped into Asda to get some more essentials. We didn't have any laundry stuff, so we've now got a bin. Towels, maybe. I still don't have any bedding, so that's great. I'm currently really struggling because my phone's dead and I can't remember what my bathroom looks like anymore. But I'm just debating between the black set of the soap dispensers and the toothbrush holder. Oh, this colour I'm kind of vibing with. The only thing putting me off is the silver at the top because I just don't think I've got anything silver in my bathroom. It's more like wood, so I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like this is pretty groovy as well. It's just very like rustic and chic, you know, and it's not too expensive either. I don't have any soap, but I also might want those. Just really indecisive. The only thing is that my toilet holder's black, so I feel like these actually might be good. So this is it in all its glory. I basically got a black toilet holder, and now I'm kind of wishing I got that colour. This is the only issue. Oh my god, I'm driving myself insane. So I've decided I'm not getting either. I did want to get this, but I think I want a square one instead for my bathroom. This, when they scratch, also goes through me, but when they scratch, they literally look like shit. So I'm going to get like a stone kind of one, I guess, hopefully, fingers crossed. So similar pattern to the beige one. I've also decided that I'm going to get a black set of towels, and I'm gonna stick to the black theme in my bathroom. I mean, I'm not paying £5 just for a hand towel when I can get to H&M and get 2 for £4. I hate the fact that this makes me look like Big Ed from 90 Day Fiancé.
First trip to the bin.
How cool is this? You ready? It's really old fashioned. So underwhelming.
It's too big. Now what?
I don't know.
It's too big. I'm gonna have to take it back out.
Does it sound like it was so far down?
Why does shoot spell like that? Shoot!
Shoot!
Does it fit? Yes! If yes, place and shoot. I don't get it. How do we make it work?
Hours out of playing games.
Guys, my LEDs fell down. Now I'm really sad. So guys, I've just got back from Homesense and Next Home, I believe, and we have finally got the goods in clutch. Can you believe I finally have bedding for my bed? I've literally just had this plain ass duvet, no protector, no nothing on it, and I've been sleeping in this blanket for the past 3 days. So finally, I've just got some white sheets because I was trying to find one that was similar to this colour, or I was debating going with the dark, and I thought, it, let's just go with the white. On top of that, I was obviously looking for a loo roll holder, and Byron picked up one similar to this in TK Maxx, so I was like, right, I'm on the hunt for another one because he actually took the last one. So I found this in Homesense. This was $19.99, which is a bit pricey for what it is. Like, I know I could probably get this from Ikea, but it's matte black instead of shiny, so I'm actually quite happy with it. I don't know if you guys remember me saying, but like, I really wanted a mirror or a little desk or something just to go by the side of my wicker chair, because I love to sit there in the morning and do my makeup out of the window because of the natural light. But the only issue is I have to hold everything, so well, that makes me sound so lazy, but I just wanted like a little something there so I can balance my mirror on it. Lo and behold, found this beauty in Homesense. It was $16.99, and I'm not a massive fan of the wood colour because it doesn't match like anything in my room. I'm also not really a massive fan of this Aztec design, but I have black paint and the legs are black, so I'm thinking to just paint that black. And then, oh, okay, it's actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. That's annoying. Oh, you bastard. Oh, you bastard. What am I going to do? It is just, it's a lot smaller. But it will be good to put like a cup of tea or something on. I'm really trying to make myself think positively right now. Do you know what? I'm still happy with my purchase. Not for $16.99, but I'm still happy with it. And I'm basically going to paint it black. But I'm not going to do that this side of my holiday because I have so much to do. There's no possible way I can do that. Anyway, that's not the most exciting one. The most exciting one is this bad boy, which I picked up from Homesense as well. It was $19.99. Basically, I don't really like this thing that's on the top of it, but it did make it easier to carry. It's like gold all the way around the sides, and I just thought, what if I painted it black and took these off, because I don't really like these that much, but wanted a funkier mirror. I really did want a funkier mirror, but what can we do? So I'm just going to paint it black, and that is going to go up on my chest of drawers that are there. So I just discovered I did actually get more. So in Homesense as well, I found this little soap dispenser. I couldn't find a toothbrush holder, but then I thought my toothbrush is electric, so really what is the point in me doing that? This was a little bit pricey. It was £12.99, but I haven't seen anything like it anywhere, and I'm literally obsessed with it. I feel like it's going to go so well with everything, especially with my bin and my loo brush and everything like that. Wanted to stick to the black theme. And then I also got some soap because I don't own any, and I thought I need a clear one to go in that, because if I get like a green colour or something, I know it's just going to throw me off. So this one was also from Homesense. This was $3.99, which is bloody beautiful. I'm so excited to do my bathroom. So let's go do it. But I filmed this for you guys because I know it's going to be really therapeutic. Beautiful. It smells so good. Oh yeah, baby. I'm sorry, but the black is Hi. It's making me very happy. Soap bin, got the low brush in the toilet roll holder. We've then got my lovely guest shelf flannels, and then we've got my towels. We're not gonna focus on this because I still need to get bath sheets because they're like the bigger ones, which is the one that I need, and I can't find a black one anywhere. So it looks like I'm gonna have to cut these off because I don't think I can actually unhook them. So time to slice and die. Are you eating more Pringles? Right, so these knives are that good. Are you ready? Watch this, babies.
They won't be that good after you've this with them, and we've got no knife sharpener.
What the fuck? That's literally better than scissors.
Yeah, they fall.
How the fuck then? How the fuck is this? I'm actually a bit baffled. But how is this part of our building? I'm actually baffled.